this Malayalam hymn is going to broadcast in our respected generous Indian classical music lovers. This is Malayalam song broadcasted by PK and DBRC under the guardianship of Man Bhavan Vani Vilas कार्यक्रम program. Before starting this song, I want to take permission from our respected K. Sitraji and others, Agriya singers, brothers and singers, brothers and sisters who have sung so much melodious, fantastic melodious Malayalam hymn. It would be very kind of you if you give me the permission for singing this song. Thank you very much for your kindness for giving the permission. Second, live telecast is going on at this time. Still the hearing is hearing. It is fully strictly prohibited. Underage and undesirable persons are fully strictly prohibited for hearing this musical composition. All the respected Indian Indian classical music lovers and respected generous personalities are most welcome in this program. It is my attempt in your service. I cannot say how would be my attempt. मदिमोहन मानस तड़की मोहन राग तरंगम मदिमोहन मानस तड़की वरमं वरंगलाय संतं मोहन राग तरंगम मदिमोहन मानसं तड़की वरणं मंगलाय वसन्तं सर्वन्दनलापमयी मोहन राग वसन्तं मदिमोहन मानसं तड़की मोहन राग तरंगम मदिमोहन मानसं तड़की वरणं मंगलमयी वसन्तं सर्वन्दनं आलापमयी मोहन राग तरंगम मदिमोहन मानसं तड़की मुरमंगलं पाटिन मदिरकालं कलियन किल पाड़न कुदिया देवाङ्गणं नीलपदकोद्गमं मलयजपल कमलनील मोहनरागतरङ्गं मदिमानमानसन्तळकी लरला लरला ननननं नरिना ननना नननने नननं मोहनरागतरङ्गं मदिमानमानसं तळकी लरला 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 लाला लरला लरला नननने തുടിയോ തുടിയൽ തുടിയൽ പൊന്നിക്കുഴയിൽ പാടും കാലം മനസ്സിൽ തുടിയൽ അരിടങ്ങനം കാലം രാജാമദനോത്രമം രാജാംഗണനീലെ മരയോത്സവം കുരുവിന്നെ കുരുവിൽ കുരുവിന്നെ കുരുനീരയ നീയോട് മോഹനരാഗതരംഗം മദിമോഹനമാനസന്തളക്കി മോഹനരാഗതരംഗം മദിമോഹനമാനസന്തളക്കി വരണം I don't get many mistakes in my words. study and training, but my all respected generous with viewers would excuse me for my mistakes and errors because I am related to northern India, so there may be many mistakes. It is a fact, a real fact, but I know my respected and generous viewers would excuse me for my mistakes and errors. Thank you very much for your kindness, for hearing, looking and taking interest in this video. Many thanks again and again in advance.